Have you ever found yourself grappling with multiplication tables, especially when it comes to multiplying large numbers? It's a common struggle that many face. But what if there was a simple trick to make this process easier? A method that doesn't require memorizing tables or using a calculator. Intriguing, isn't it? Today, delve into a brilliant math hack that will completely change the way you view multiplication. This trick, known as the Japanese multiplication method or the line multiplication method, simplifies the process of multiplying large numbers, and it's surprisingly easy to master. Begin by writing down the two numbers to be multiplied, one above the other. Visualize each digit of these numbers as a set of lines. If you have the number 5, draw 5 parallel lines and so on. Next, draw these lines on a piece of paper, with each set of lines representing a digit from your numbers. Draw the lines for the first number going down and to the right, and the lines for the second number going down and to the left. You should end up with a grid of intersections. Each intersection point represents a unit of multiplication. Group these intersections by their diagonal lines. The rightmost group gives you the units, the middle group gives you the tens, and the leftmost group gives you the hundreds. Count the number of intersections in each group. This count represents the digits of your answer. Write these numbers down from left to right, and there you have it. You've just multiplied two large numbers without using a multiplication table or a calculator. Now let's recap the key points of this math hack. Firstly, visualize each digit of the numbers to be multiplied as a set of lines. Draw these lines on paper with each set representing a digit from your numbers. Secondly, create a grid of intersections with the lines and group these intersections by their diagonal lines. Finally, count the number of intersections in each group. This count will give you the digits of your answer. This method, while initially seeming complex, is actually a straightforward and visual way to carry out multiplication. It simplifies the process, making it easy to understand and perform, even for large numbers. So the next time you're faced with a multiplication problem, remember this method. It's not about memorizing tables or reaching for a calculator. It's about understanding the process and using a simple, effective trick to solve the problem. Armed with this hack, multiplication won't seem like a daunting task anymore. Instead, it'll become an intriguing puzzle, waiting to be solved. And that, in essence, is the beauty of mathematics. It's not just about numbers, it's about patterns, logic, and problem solving. So go ahead, try this method out, multiply large numbers, impress your friends, and most importantly, enjoy the process. After all, isn't learning supposed to be fun?